Hello students, today I will discuss one important topic of class 11 algebra, that is arithmetic progression. So there are some introductory part of arithmetic progression is in class 10, but those who want to crack the JEE, you have to study in class 12 also. It is taught in class 11 algebra. So everyone, this is one of the base chapter in algebra, and as well as this is considered to be the one of the part of the number theory. So everyone watch the video full and understand what is there in AP. So everybody, what I'll discuss today. See, I'll discuss what is the sequence, what is the series, what is the progression. Within progression there is one chapter, that is arithmetic progression, and in arithmetic progression we'll discuss its nth term, important properties, general property, sum of the n terms. So everyone just see this properly. So students, details of the arithmetic progression I'll discuss, and the tricky question and the type of question which are coming in JEE examination, that also everybody will discuss, so that we can solve the tricky questions in entrance examination easily. So students, now I'll explain what is the sequence. Before discussion, I am giving you one example so that it becomes easier for you to understand. Suppose I am taking 5 group of students. Group 1 containing 1 student, group 2 containing 4 students, group 3 containing 7 students, group 4 containing 10 students, group 5 containing 13 students. Now group 1 containing 1 students, this is called the first term. Group 2 containing 4 students, this is called the second term. This is called the third term. This is called the fourth term. And group 5 containing 13 students, this is called the fifth term. So everyone, it follows some definite order. This is one example of the sequence, that is definite rule. So sequence always follows some definite order. What is the order here? Everyone, just see one thing. They are increasing by just 3. It means if we add first term with 3, we are getting second term. If we add second term with 3, we are getting the third term. We are getting third term with 3, like that. So everyone, see what is the definite order about which I am telling you. See, T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2 equal to T4 minus T3 equal to T5 minus T4. So that is equal to, in this case, it is 3. So everyone, if we subtract from any second term to the first term, we are getting a constant value. So this is the definite rule. This constant value, in this case, it is 3. So we can say that if we add last term with 3, we are getting the next term. So everybody, common difference in this case is 3, and by adding 3, new terms are being formed. So this is the sequence, and in sequence always will have some definite order, definite rule. Now let's see what is the rule of the sequence. So sequence is the definite arrangement of real numbers following some definite order. So everybody, it follows some definite order. So I am giving one more example. Suppose there are 5 group of balls. Suppose group 1 containing 2 balls, group 2 containing 4 balls, group 3 containing 8 balls, group 4 containing 16 balls, group 5 containing 32 balls. So group 1 containing 2 balls, this is called the term 1, that is the first term. This is group 2 containing 4 balls, this is called the second term. This is called the third term, and this group 4 containing 16 balls, this is called the fourth term, and this is 32 is called the fifth term. So here also one particular order is followed. Just what is the order? Just see one thing already. T2 equal to T1 square, T3 equal to T1 cube, T4 equal to T1 to the power 4, and T5 equal to T1 to the power 5. So already this is the definite order, that if we square the previous term, we are getting the next term. So everyone, there must be some definite rule so that we can predict the next term of the sequence. So sequence also can be defined in some another way. Say, sequence is a function whose domain is natural number and range is the set of real numbers. So everyone, domain and range is in the chapter function. So it is very important chapter for us. So for the time being, what is the domain and what is the range? So everyone, domain is the input and range is the output. And what is function? So this chapter is in class 11 as well as 12, and everybody, it is very important topic of the calculus. Just function is nothing but a device. It is the converter which convert input to the output. So if we give some input to the machine or converter, it will give us some output. It means in this machine there is something. What is that something? There is some formula, there is the nth term, so that its domain, so domain is the natural number in the definition of the sequence. So domain is what? Domain is in this case term number 1, term number 2, term number 3, term number 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Everyone, this term number, it is always a natural number, and output, which is range, that depends on the nature of the formula, what nth term or sequence or the definite order will give us. So sequence is denoted by, this is called the second bracket or curly bracket, Tn, An or Fn. Everyone, Fn is nothing but the notation of the function, and Tn is the general term of the sequence. Just see one thing. So if we put n equal to 1, that is the first term, so this is as f of 1. If we put n equal to 2, the second term, this is f of 2. If we put n equal to 3, this is the third term, f of 3. In this way, we'll get the full sequence. And another thing is that if we put n, that is the nth term, which is expressed in form of Tn. So everyone, T1, T2, T3, T4, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. This must be the natural number. And the conversion, that is the result, that is the range, it must be according to the rules of the sequence, according to the order of the sequence. So everybody, one very important point to be noted in this connection, that in case of sequence, its nth term may not be expressible in terms of n, that is in terms of some definite formulas. But in case of progression, it is necessary that its nth term can be expressed in terms of n, that is in some formula of n. So students, it means that in case of progression, Tn equal to some formula of n. So Tn can be expressed in terms of some function of x, that is in terms of some formulas. So that is why very good questions are coming in entrance examination with respect to the progression. Let us go to some examples of the sequence. For example, sequence is 1 by n, that is general term is 1 by n. It means first term is 1, second term is 1 by 2, third term is 1 by 3, fourth term is 1 by 4, nth term is 1 by n. So everyone, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, this is called the domain, this is called the input. It must be in terms of some natural number. But the result, that is the output, everybody, it is following some definite order, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. This is the obvious some real numbers. So everybody, I am giving the another example, that is the sequence is 1 by n cube, that is the general term is 1 by n cube, or we can write this as Fn equal to 1 by n cube, that is the sequence is 1, 1 by 8, 1 by 27, 1 by 64, 1 by 125. So everyone see this properly, the input, that is the number of term, is the natural number, and the output is this. Output is the obviously some real number. It means once again that sequence, that it follows some definite rule. So students, one more beautiful example I am giving you, that is the sequence is n by n plus 1. So sequence is 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, like this. So what is the 100th term of the sequence? That is, put n equal to 100. It means what? We are putting n equal to the natural number. The natural number must be input, and the output is this: 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5. So everyone, output may be natural number, may not be the natural number. Okay. So everybody, why input is a natural number? So everyone, that number of terms, number of percent always in natural number, but the result means output, that is f of n, that is the general term. It can be expressed in different ways. Output is expressible in terms of formulas. And everyone, one more thing, that is in case of another sequence, one more example I am giving you, that is sequence is n, that is general term is n. It means the first term is 1, second term is 2, third term is 3, like that. 100th term is 100, it will go up to infinity. So in this way, by putting the value of the term, it means putting the n equal to any natural number, will get the number of terms easily. Now students, I will discuss what is series. So let's see what is definition telling. Series is defined by adding or subtracting the terms of nth terms of a sequence. N can be finite or infinite. So series is defined in terms of sigma. So sigma r equal to 1 to n tr, that is t1 plus t2 plus t3 plus t4, like this up to tn. It means in this case sigma is nothing but the summation of the terms of the sequence. Tr is the rth term of the sequence, and r equal to 1 is called the lower limit, r equal to n is called the upper limit. So everyone, in this way we can write the series of the number of terms. For example, r equal to 1 to 10 n square, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square up to 10 square. So once again I am giving you another example, that is r equal to 1 to 100 1 by n, that is 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Everybody, r equal to 1 to 100 means r is the input, and number of terms, we are adding the number of terms and we are getting a result. That result is the series, that is the summation. So students, I will give you one more example so that series will be totally crystal clear for you. See, r equal to 1 to 20 r cube, that is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to 20 cube. So this is the concept of series. So I think everyone, your concept on series will be clear. Now students, I will discuss what is a progression. So a progression is a sequence whose nth term is defined by some definite formulas. Now we will discuss what is arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression is the sequence, so it follows some definite order. Let's see what is the definite order. The definite order is tn minus 1 is constant, that is t2 minus t1 equal to t3 minus t2 equal to t4 minus t3, that is tn minus 1 is common difference, that is expressed in d. So depending on the nature of the common difference, arithmetic progression can be divided into three categories. Case 1, when d is greater than 0, this is called the increasing AP. So everyone, what is the thing? Let's see here. that is T1 less than T2 less than T3 less than T4 in this way. It means D is greater than 0. For example, the AP is 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. Just see one thing here. In this case, we will get the common difference by any second term minus first term. Here common difference is 3. That is, by adding the 3, new terms are being formed. That is, this is the increasing AP. Now case 2, where D is less than 0. It means what, everybody? This is called the decreasing AP. So let's see here what is the thing. That is T1 greater than T2 greater than T3 greater than T4. That is, in this case, the terms are decreasing. So D is less than 0. So everybody, I am giving the example on this AP. Just 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. This is the example of the decreasing AP. So everybody, you can understand just seeing this, the terms are decreasing. So in this case, the D is any second term minus first term, that is minus 2. And case 3, everyone, in case 3 we are saying that when D equal to 0. So this is the constant AP. So in this case, suppose 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So in this case, terms are neither increasing nor decreasing, because of what is the logic? Logic is that the common difference is 0. Okay, so the terms are constant. So I am giving one example. Just see, if nth term of an AP is 3n minus 1, find the 10th term. So everyone, in this case, general term Tn equal to 3n minus 1. Just put n equal to 10 here. See, the answer is coming 29. In this way, we can get the any number of term easily. So everyone, I am discussing the one very important characteristics of AP. That is, suppose T1, T2, T3 are in AP. So we can say here T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. Therefore, T2 equal to T1 plus T3 by 2. So everyone, this is important characteristics of the AP, and in this case T2 is called the AM, that is arithmetic mean between T1 and T3. So I am giving you one example. Suppose find the AM between 3 and 8. So everybody, it means that there are 3 terms which are in AP and we have to get the middle term. So here 3, T2, 8. So T2 equal to 3 plus 8 by 2. So everybody, in this way we can get the arithmetic mean between the 2 terms. Hence, I will find the nth term of AP. Suppose A be the first term and D be the common difference. So T1, that is the first term, this A. Second term T2 is A plus D. Third term is A plus 2D. Fourth term is A plus 3D. That is, nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. So everybody, this is very important formula to get the nth term. That is, if we put n equal to, that is, once again we will come to the that previous point, that n is the input, that is the natural number. So by putting n as any value, we can get the desired number of terms. So one important point to note here, that there are 4 parameters attached here. It means Tn, A, D, N. It means if we know the any 3, we can get the other easily. So students, let us go to one example. Suppose T10 equal to 28, A equal to 1. Find D. So what to do, everyone? Just put the formula that A plus 10 minus 1 into D equal to 28. Put A equal to 1. So everyone, we are seeing that we can get D easily. So already out of the 4 parameters, if 3 parameter is given to us, we can get the other very fast like this. Now I will discuss the important properties of the AP. So property number 1. So already what it is saying, the sum of any 2 equidistant terms from the beginning and end of the AP are always equal. So already, suppose for an AP, T1, T2, T3 are in AP. So T1 plus Tn equal to T2 plus Tn minus 1 equal to T3 plus Tn minus 2. So everybody, this is very important in solving the sums. So the proof is also very easy. Just see one thing, T2 plus Tn minus 1, T2 means A plus D, Tn minus 1 is Tn minus D. So D are getting cancelled, we are getting T1 plus Tn. Once again, T3 plus Tn minus 2. So T3 is A plus 2D, Tn minus 2 is Tn minus 2D. Once again, everybody, D is getting cancelled and we are getting the same thing, T1 plus Tn. So I am giving one easy example so that you can understand the thing very easily. Suppose one AP 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So in this case 1 plus 13 equal to 3 plus 11 equal to 5 plus 9. So everybody, this is the example. Now we'll go to the property number 2 of the AP. Just if 3 terms are in AP, therefore middle term equal to first term plus last term by 2. So everybody, this is very important characteristics of the AP which I discussed previously. Suppose 1, 4, 7. Just see one thing, 1 plus 7 by 2 equal to the 4. That is 4 is the middle term in this case. In this way, everyone, if 3 terms are given, we can get any terms easily by these formulas. Now students, I will discuss the next property, that rth term from the end equal to n minus r plus 1th term from the beginning. So everyone, this is very important property. Suppose we have 12 books. Suppose book number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Suppose we have to find the 5th book from the end. So let us see what is the 5th book from the end. See, this is the, so this is that book which is the 8th book from the beginning. So everybody, in the examination hall, it is better to get the 8th ball from the beginning than to get the 5th ball from the end. So what rule is applying? Just see one thing, in this case n equal to 12, r equal to 5. Therefore 12 minus 5 plus 1, that is 8th book from the beginning. So everyone, in this case it means that 5th book from the end equal to the 8th book from the beginning. So this is the application of the rule. Now I discuss the property number 4. Let's see what is telling. If any non-zero scalar quantity is multiplied, divided, subtracted, added with any AP, the resulting series is in AP. So everyone, suppose the non-zero scalar quantity, that is any constant number, you can take it to be any constant number. So but it should not be 0. If we multiply with any AP, suppose the AP is A1, A2, A3, A4, AN. So if we multiply with the K, KA1, KA2, KA3, KA4, the series is in AP. So if we divide the K also with the same thing, so A1 by K, A2 by K, A3 by K, A4 by K. But remember everybody one thing, the constant should not be 0. It can be positive, it can be negative, no matter at all. Okay, this is also in AP. Suppose if we add the K with the AP, let us see what is coming. A1 plus K, A2 plus K, A3 plus K, A4 plus K. So this is also in AP. We can prove it very easily. If we just subtract any two terms, that is K will be cancelled. So K will not affect the change. Everybody have understood? So resulting series is in AP. So similarly, if we subtract the K with the AP, so it is in also AP. So A1 minus K, A2 minus K, A3 minus K, A4 minus K, this is also in AP. So everybody, you can take with some example and you can just verify in your home. Remember everybody one thing, K should not be by any means 0. K can be any real number, it can be positive, it can be negative, no matter at all. Okay. Now students, I will discuss the another property, that is property number 5. So this is related to the middle term. So previously also I have discussed with the middle term, but it was with the 3 terms. In this case, the middle term where number of terms are n. So everyone, obviously, since the number of terms are n, so here it will be 2 cases. So case number 1 when the number of terms are even, and case number 2 when the number of terms are odd. So everybody, let us discuss with some example. So let us take the case when n equal to even number. So in this case I am giving one example. Suppose there are 12 number of balls. Suppose ball number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Everybody, this is the case when n is the even and n equal to 12. Suppose there is a person is standing and I am calling that person to select the middle wala ball. So the person will be confused because middle terms are 2 in this case, everybody. So what to do? Just remove 5 balls from here, 5 balls from here. So there are 2 balls. So everybody, when n equal to the even number, it has 2 middle terms. So here ball number 6th and 7th are the middle term. Therefore let us make one formula. Let's see. When n is the even number, therefore the middle terms are n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th. So everybody, there are 2 middle terms. One is the n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. Now let us check if n equal to odd, what will happen. Suppose I am removing one ball from here. So if I ask anyone to select the middle ball, so it is very easy for that person, because if we just remove 5 from here, 5 from here, so 6th ball is the middle ball. Therefore what is the formula, everybody? Once again let us see what formula is telling. In this case, if n is the odd number, therefore the middle term is n plus 1 by 2th term. So in this case n equal to 11. So just see one thing, 11 plus 1 by 2, that is 6th ball is the middle ball. Okay, everybody, you have understood? Once again, if n is the even, it has 2 middle terms, and when n equal to odd, it has the 1 middle term. So now everybody, I'll discuss the property number 6. Just see what is telling. If one AP is added or subtracted to the another AP, the resulting series is in AP. So suppose let us consider that A1, A2, A3, A4 is in AP and B1, B2, B3, B4 is some another AP. Suppose D1 be the common difference of the first AP and D2 be the common difference of the second AP. So if we add term by term, see everyone, A1 plus B1, A2 plus B2, A3 plus B3, A4 plus B4. So this is also in AP. So everybody, you can verify with some examples also. So in this case, the common difference is D1 plus D2. Suppose 1, 4, 7, 10 and another AP is 2, 5, 8, 11. If you add the terms and see that the resulting series is in AP. Now if we subtract the 2 APs, let us see what is coming here. So in this case, just see A1 minus B1, A2 minus B2, A3 minus B3, A4 minus B4. So this is also in AP. So in this case, the common difference is D1 minus D2. So everyone, the series is increasing or decreasing. It depends on who is greater. If D1 is greater than D2, then D1 minus D2 is a positive quantity, so it is increasing. And if D1 is less than D2, then D1 minus D2, everybody, this is the negative quantity. It means common difference is the negative quantity. So in this case, what we'll get? We'll get the decreasing series. So everyone, you have to remember all the properties, you have to understand, and most importantly, you have to practice with the different type of sums and apply this all the properties. So if you can do this, I am sure that you must do the good result in the incoming exam. And everyone, in the next video, I will come with the more and more properties of the AP. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel. For the time being,